What you don't know is that at one point in my career as a writer, I wanted to give up writing. The very thing that fueled me had started sucking the soul out of me. I navigated that. Eventually, coaching became a part of my life. But what you also don't know is that this January 2022, I had a meltdown. I had a full roster of clients. My blog was at its peak with 350,000 readers every year, and I hated what I was doing. I was questioning, is this it? I had a very specific moment standing in front of downtown Vancouver Public Library in tears. I didn't even want to go into a library and read a book. I was so lost. I felt so hollow. I had no idea what I'm doing. And that was really scary, because back then when I was going for that job, I thought I was doing what society says was my purpose. But 5 years later, I was doing the thing I felt was my purpose, and I was still not happy. Now, my intention isn't to scare you. And obviously, I'm smiling today, so there's some kind of answer that's going to come through. But let's just say the last 6 months have been the most challenging and most haunting months of my life. No matter how I showed up on social media, every day has gone crying, tearing pages out of my journal, questioning life, having sleep problems, having anxiety, only to understand, what is my life purpose? Why am I here? So the beautiful thing is that the universe doesn't leave us hanging. It provides us answers if we learn to listen. And boy, did I learn to listen. It was so uncomfortable sitting still again and dealing with this heaviness, this hollowness, this emptiness. But one day, something really weird happened. So all of these frameworks I'm going to share with you today, they're not new to me. But what happened is I was journaling, they all began to click. It was like my neurons in my brain were just like firing, like, It all came together for me in a way where I could see what the purpose was, logically. Now I'm saying logically because this work isn't meant to be done logically. Our spiritual journey and our path of purpose is one that needs to be experienced. So do these frameworks. So I get to introduce them to you today, but really you're just about to start doing the work from here. How much of the work you choose to do will be yours, but my invitation is just to enjoy the frameworks, just to have a couple of your own aha moments, and then you figure out what your purpose is from there.